In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Google Chrome bookmarks. So what we want to do is go to your Google Chrome, obviously. You don't have to have a website open or anything like that, but what we can do is go to the very top of the page here. I am on a Mac. It might be a little bit different if you're on an Android computer. So you just want to go to Bookmarks and then go to Bookmark Manager. And really nothing to really know here except you just want to come to the far right side here at the top right corner and hit these three little dots. And then you're going to go ahead and hit export bookmarks. And from here, it's going to give you a title and it's going to give you the location where they're going to go at. So you can pick anywhere that you want them to be exported to. I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. And I already have a copy. I'm just going to replace that. So once that's done, come out of Chrome and go find your folder location where you exported your stuff at. And as you see here, now I have my bookmarks and I can implement this into another internet browser if I wanted to. And that's it.